Okay guys, today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite multi-tools from SMALLRIG. This comes in this very semi-rigid little case. Inside of it, you'll also find a soft pouch that you can carry your tool in. The tool itself is an aluminum alloy. It has some insets here for spare screws, so you can have those as a backup if you ever need to replace a screw. On one side of it, you have all of your common Allen keys that you would use with most SMALLRIG, cages and accessories. But these will also come in handy for a number of different applications as far as Allen keys go. And then on the opposite side, you have some of your traditional screwdrivers. So you have your regular driver, you have your flathead, you have your Phillips, you have a star, and you have something here that is also very similar to a smaller Allen key. So all of these just retract back inside like this. Very sleek, all metal. I do like this a lot. I use this thing so often. I have 2 or 3 of these now. I have one in my camera bag, I have one in my truck, and of course I have one right here on my workstation. So hopefully guys, this has been helpful to someone who might be looking for a very small, compact, durable multi-tool. This could be exactly what you're looking for.